Hello, card enthusiasts out there. It is Dax Collects, and today we're going to do a card box unboxing video. This is the Pokemon trading card game Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift booster box. Got this on eBay for about $104. We're going to open this up together, and we're going to look out for any hyper rares, special illustration rares, ultra rares, you name it. There's a bunch of nice cards inside to look out for. So, for those of you that don't know, I love Pokemon card collecting as well. I don't play the actual trading card game myself. Let me know in the comments if you guys actually do. I just love collecting cards. I've always have been since I was a kid. I would go out to Target, Walmart, you name it. I'd ask my parents if I can buy some Pokemon cards, just get some blister packs, stuff like that, and that's what I did. So I've always had a heart for card collecting and just want to show you guys my other interests besides coins. So, as you can see, on the front, you can see Roaring Moon. That is the ancient Salamence from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Pretty cool Pokemon, I must say. There is an Iron Valiant as well, which is basically a Gardevoir or Gallade lookalike, which is the future Pokemon. There are a total of 36 card packs inside of this box. The Pokemon TCG Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift contains over 180 cards. Each Pokemon TCG Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift booster pack contains 10 cards and 1 basic energy. Each player must have a 60 card deck of Pokemon cards to play, which I don't care about that. But there are a total of 36 in here. So let's go ahead and open this box up. You can see on the side, there are all the card packs. And that what looks like to be Armarouge right there. There we go. Take the plastic off. You just open it up just like so. And there we go. Look at all those card packs. Oh man. I am very excited about this. Grab a snack and a drink, guys. This might be a really long video. So let's go ahead and get started with the left side here. Here's number 1. Alrighty, so here's how I'm going to lay this out. Any energy cards that I find, I'm going to throw them off to the side over here somewhere. Any illustration rares, special illustration rares, and hyper rares, I'll set over here up top. Any common cards, I'll just throw them up here as well. It's going to be kind of a mess, but we're going to make it work. So let's get started with the first one. All right. Each one comes with a Pokemon trading card game live card, and it basically has this on there that you can redeem. I don't play it myself. I just collect the cards. So if you guys want that, you can have it. So I believe what I've normally been seeing is the energy card is last, so we'll put that up front, and the best card will be last in the stack. Let's take a look at the cards. All right, basic energy, like I said, no big deal. Swablu, Pansear, Wiglet, Blipbug, Cloth, Luxurious Cape, Cyclizar, a Reverse Hollow Mopico, Reverse Hollow Panpour, and this should be the rare. Let's take a look. And there it is. As you can see, it has the star. That means it's just the rare. It is the Chien Pao Hollow. So we'll set the rares right here. Here's number 2. So I pretty much waited about a week later after the set was released because they priced this at $120 online. This booster box was going for about $120 for pre-orders. People who were pre-ordering had to pay a little bit extra. So I waited about a week when the prices were dipping just a little bit, and that's when I decided to go ahead and buy it. Here's that for any of you that want it. All right, let's get started with number 2. Basic Energy, Swablu, Pansear, Wiglet, Fuecoco, Steenie, Gliscor, Simisage, Reverse Hollow Tinkaton. All right, so as you can see, that gold star right there means we have an illustration rare. And here it is. Gimme Goal. Very cool. We have our first future Pokemon, Iron Jugulus. Probably not how you say it, but I'll just go with it. It's the second rare of the box. Very cool. I love the card design as well, with the grid on the side there. That's pretty cool. I like that. Set that right here. All right. There we go. We got an illustration rare right off the bat. Number 3. Let's see what we can get inside of number 3. There you go. All right. What we got? Basic Energy, Gligar, Fuecoco, Snorunt. Going a little too fast. Honedge, Simisear, Crobat, Roark, Reverse Hollow Tinkatuff, Reverse Hollow Doublade, and we have a rare Steelix. Number 4. I looked at the Hyper Rares. They're going to be the EX of the ancient and future Pokemon. So like Roaring Moon, Iron Valiant, and all that stuff. Some of the special illustration rares I would really love to find, like the Brute Bonnet, and Morpeko is insane as well. All right. Basic Energy, Blipbug, Gligar, Trubbish, Crustle, Absol. That's a sick Absol card. Norman, Tinkaton, Reverse Hollow Onyx, Reverse Hollow Cursed Duster, and we got an Armor Rouge EX double rare. There are 2 black stars right here. That is called a double rare. So we'll put the double rares along with the rares. So we'll set that right here. Number 5. There you go. Let's see what's inside number 5. Basic Energy, Horsey, Joltik, Natu, Remoraid, Minior, Zebstrika, Simipour, Tinkatink, Reverse Hollow Tinkatink, Reverse Hollow Porygon 2, and we have a rare Palkia. That's a cool card. Number 6. And if you guys have opened up a booster box yourself, let me know in the comments. Share all the cards that you found down below. Let me know if you got any of the cool hyper rares in this set. Basic Energy, Onyx, Knockley, Magby, Surskit, Orthworm, Toedscruel. We got an ancient Pokemon here. It's just an uncommon Screamtail card. Reverse Holo Orthworm. And we have a rare Latios. Oh, we have another card behind that. Oh, I didn't realize that. So we have a Reverse Holo Latios. What's behind this? Hoopa EX. Double rare. Gorgeous. It's a pretty gorgeous card. And is the Unbound form. Number 7. All right, let's check this one out. Basic Energy, Pumpkaboo, Zubat, Purloin, Gimmighoul, Crocolore, Ambipom. We got a Snorlax doll, Reverse Holo Purloin, Reverse Holo Gabite, and a rare Zekrom. Very cool. Number 8. Let's see if there is a special illustration rare inside of here. We'll have to find out. All right, here's that. All right, let's see what we got in here. Basic Energy, Porygon, Pansage, Minun, Snorunt, Technical Machine Devolution, Exploud, Mela, Reverse Holo Tinglu, very interesting name, Professor Turo Scenario Future, and we have our first ultra rare card of the box. As you can see, we have 2 silver stars here. That's considered an ultra rare. And this one here is a full art Mela card. That's cool. We'll set them along with the special illustration rares and the illustration rares. Number 9. All right, what do we got in this one? Basic Energy, Mienfoo, Ferroseed, Gible, Panpour, Tinkaton, Durant, Earthen Vessel Ancient, Reverse Holo Dottler, Reverse Holo Tandemaus, and we have a rare Volcanion. Number 10. We're already on number 10. Basic Energy, Plusle, Knucklestack, Dottler, Toxel. We've got a Slitherwing Ancient Pokemon, Gorgeist, Tatsugiri, Reverse Holo Joltik, Reverse Holo Dondozo, and a rare Chi-Yu. Number 11. This is a pretty good set. Like I said, there are a lot of really cool designs for the cards. I'm happy that the American Pokemon TCG switch to the Japanese designs. I say that's a really good move on their part. Basic Energy, Blitzel, Balm Sweet, Feebas, Apom, Medical Energy, Steenie, Gliscor, Reverse Hollow Vanillish, Reverse Hollow Nickit, and a Hollow Aegislash. Rare. 12. These booster boxes don't last very long. I mean, sure, there are 36, but each one takes about 30 seconds to go through. All right, let's see what is inside of this one. Basic Energy, Leopard, Wimpod, Elekid, Tinkatuff, Vanillux, Defiance Vest, Veluza, Reverse Hollow Knockley, Reverse Hollow Wiglet, and a rare Tinglu. 13. I would really love to see a Root Bonnet Special Illustration Rare, or any of the Hyper Rares as well, inside of this set. Here's that. Let's see what number 13 has to offer. Basic Energy, Pansage, Mantike, Gabite, Minun, Simisage, Norman, Absol, Techno Radar Future card. Ooh, that's a nice card. Professor Sada's Vitality Ancient. And it has 2 gold stars. It is the Special Illustration Rare. That's a really nice card. And what's behind that? We have a Golisopod Rare Hollow. That's our best card so far of the box. Number 14. If for any of you that have checked out my PSA submission video on YouTube, where I go through all the football cards that I submitted and received back from them, I will be doing another PSA submission video for Pokemon cards. So stay tuned for that. It should be good. All right, let's start with this one. Basic Energy, Trubbish, Crustle, Onyx, Nickit, Technical Machine Turbo Energize, Wugtrio, Technical Machine Blindside, Reverse Hollow Panseer, Reverse Hollow Flittle, and a Hollow Rare Melodic. 15. All right, let's see what we got inside of this one. Basic Energy, Loudred, Bone Sweet, Feebas, Apom, Orthworm, Toedscruel, another Screamtail Ancient, Reverse Hollow Gorgeist, Reverse Hollow Magby. We have our third double rare of the box, Iron Hands EX Future. Wow. Amazing. That's a pretty good card. 16. For those of you that are into TCG and you play the actual game, what's your favorite Pokemon of the set? Which one do you guys play with the most? In your TCG play, which one has the best play for TCG? Let me know. All right, what do we got in this one? Basic Energy, Flittle, Knockley, Nimble, Doublade. We got an Iron Bundle Future card, Techno Radar Future card. Counter Catcher. Reverse Hollow Nimble. Oh, there we go. We have our second illustration rare of the box. Veluza. Illustration rare. With a Staryu right there. That's pretty cool. A little nod to Generation 1. And what's behind that? We have a Brute Bonnet Ancient Pokemon rare. That's awesome. Number 17. All right. We have 2 more of these to go. Then we'll be at the halfway point of this box. Had some great pulls so far. Let's see how this one goes. Basic Energy. Galvantula. Mantike. Pansage. Minun. Technical Machine Devolution. Or Devolution. Exploud. Mela. Reverse Hollow Chi-Yu. Reverse Hollow Kingdra. And a rare Xatu Hollow. Number 18. Let's take a look at this one. Hopefully some good cards inside. Basic Energy, Miltank, Wimpod, Plusle, Tandemaus, Masquerain, Ancient Booster Energy Capsule, Ancient card, Cyclozar, Reverse Hollow Flittle, Reverse Hollow Gligar, and a Hollow Rare Garganical. All right. We are officially halfway done with the box, as you can see. And out of 18 card packs, I found 2 illustration rares, 1 special illustration rare, and 1 ultra rare card, as well as 3 double rare cards. So, not a bad start. We'll set all of these rares over here. We'll keep these around for now. We'll see if we can add on to the illustration rares and hyper rares potentially for the second half of this box. Number 19. Starting the second half here. Let me know in the comments if you guys have liked this video so far. Let me know down below. Basic Energy, Bounsweet, Feebas, Apom, Pansage, Durant, Technical Machine Turbo Energize, Wugtrio, Reverse Hollow Crustle. Oh my goodness. Garchomp EX Hyper Rare. Take a look at that. I'll be right back. I'm actually going to put this card in a penny sleeve and a card saver. But what's behind this card, first of all? We have a Low Kicks. That is a rare hollow. But holy moly, guys. It's going right into this and in a card saver. That is a magnificent card. Wow. An absolutely stunning card right here. Check the centering. It does look fairly good centering wise. Don't really see any nicks on the corners. Well, maybe there's one. Maybe there's a little bit there, but not too crazy. This one's definitely worthy of a PSA submission. Well, I figured it was the appropriate time to make this announcement. There will be a PSA submission number 3 video coming out very soon. I recently shipped out 23 Pokemon cards about 2 weeks ago. So now they're currently there. And once I get them back, and once I film the PSA grade reveal segment of the video, I'll get the video out and share you guys what those cards got for a grade. And that Garchomp EX Hyper Rare you just saw was one of the 23 cards that I sent away. So stay tuned for that. Sometime in mid-April to early May, in that time frame. Wow. That is insane. All right. A good start to the half. Let's go ahead and open up number 20. Wow. Alrighty. Let's see what's inside number 20. Basic Energy, Horsey, Galvantula, Mantike, Pansage, Tatsugiri, Dondozo, Tulip, Reverse Hollow Milotic, Reverse Hollow Blitzel, and a rare Golisopod Hollow. Number 21. Alrighty. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look. Basic Energy, Mantike, Gabite, Minun, Knucklestack, Techno Radar, Steenie, Counter Catcher, Reverse Hollow Knucklestack, Reverse Hollow Parasol Lady, and we have our fourth double rare of the box, Bombardier EX. Not bad at all. 22. All right, let's see what we have inside of 22. Basic Energy, Minun, Snorunt, Plusle, Knucklestack, Veluza, Chantal, Garbodor, Reverse Hollow Doublade, Reverse Hollow Low Kicks, and we have a rare Garganacl. 23. Alrighty, let's take a look at what we got inside of 23. Basic Energy, Dottler, Toxel, Leopard, Wimpod, Absol, Masquerain, Ancient Booster Energy Capsule, Ancient card, Reverse Hollow Trubbish, Reverse Hollow Miltank, and we have our fifth double rare of the box. We have a Garchomp EX, Terra. Very cool. 24. Probably didn't show you some of those redeem cards. I apologize. Basic Energy, Dottler, Toxel, Leopard, Wimpod. I feel like I just had that order before. Future Booster Energy Capsule, future card. Ancient Screamtail, Iron Bundle, future card. Reverse Hollow Larry, Reverse Hollow Honedge, and a rare Hollow Palkia. 25. Alrighty, let's take a look. Basic Energy, Elekid, Tinkatuff, Trubbish, Crustle, Orthworm, Professor Turo Scenario, Mienshao, Reverse Holo Double, Reverse Holo Norman, and we have our second ultra rare of the box, Iron Hands EX Future Card, Full Art. Man, I love that background there. Jeez Louise. That's beautiful. 26. All right, what do we got in here? Basic Energy, Elekid, Tinkatuff, Trubbish, Crustle, Ferrothorn, Cursed Duster, Orbeetle, Iron Moth Future Card, Reverse Holo Natu, and a rare Aegislash. 27. Getting near the tail end of this booster box here. We're down to the final 10. Let's see if we can find any more illustration rares inside of this box. There's that. Alrighty, let's see what we got in here. Basic Energy, Onyx, Nickets, Flittle, Knockley, Rika, Gorgeist, Professor Sada's Vitality, Reverse Holo Tandemouse, Reverse Holo Fuecoco, and we have a rare Iron Moth Future Card. Not bad at all. 28. Can we close out with another Hyper Rare before I open all the packs up? We'll have to find out. All right, let's take a look at this one. Basic Energy, Onyx, Knockley, Nickets, Flittle, Cloth, Luxurious Cape, Cyclozar, Reverse Holo Pumpkaboo. Alrighty, another illustration rare. This is number 3 for the illustration rares. Toadscruel. Very cool. Or should I say, very cruel. And then finally, Tinglu Rare. 29. If you guys have a favorite Pokemon, let me know down in the comments. Mine is from the 2nd generation of Pokemon. So Silver and Gold, my favorite Pokemon of all time is Skarmory, the Armor Bird Pokemon. Basic Energy, Nimble, Yamask, Spinda, Tinkatink, Tatsugiri, Dondozo, Tulip, Reverse Holo Flamigo, Reverse Holo Oricorio, and a rare Chi-Yu Holo. Number 30. I hope you guys have enjoyed this card box unboxing video so far. Alrighty. Let's take a look at what we got inside of number 30. Basic Energy, Nimble, Yamask, Spinda. I feel like I just had this order before. Tinkatink, Simisear, Crobat, Roark, Reverse Holo Volcanion, Reverse Holo Technical Machine Evolution, and we have a rare Holo Zacian. Very nice. Number 31. All right. There you go. Basic Energy, Tandemouse, Dwebble, Whismur, Doublade, Veluza, Chantal, Garbodor, Reverse Hollow Bonsweet, Reverse Hollow Gimmighoul, and we have our 6th double rare of the box. Sandy Shocks EX, Ancient card. What a crazy Pokemon that is. 32. Down to the final 5. Basic Energy, Tandemaus, Dwebble, Whismur, Doublade, Minior, Simipour, Zebstrika, Reverse Hollow Gimmighoul, Reverse Hollow Garganacl, and a rare Hollow Groudon. The illustration rare for Groudon is absolutely amazing. It is such a beautiful card. 33. Basic Energy, Magby, Surskit, Flamigo, Porygon, Future Booster Energy Capsule, Future card, Screamtail Ancient card, Ferrothorn, Reverse Hollow Plutzel, Reverse Hollow Surskit, and a rare Kingdra Hollow. 34. Let me know if you guys have ever played the Generation 2 Pokemon games as well. My favorite of the series. It's funny because Generation 2 is either the most liked generation or the most hated generation. It's pretty crazy. But I absolutely love the Generation 2 Pokemon. Even if they're only 100, I have some of the fondest memories with those Pokemon. Basic Energy, Magby, Surskit, Flamigo, Porygon, seen this order before, Crocolore, Ambipom, Snorlax Doll, Reverse Hollow Wiglet, Reverse Hollow Wugtrio, how funny is that? And a Porygon Z Rare Hollow. 35. The final 2 of the booster here. I don't necessarily know the guaranteed pull rates for these cards. I'm not even sure if you're guaranteed a hyper rare per booster, to be honest with you. There's that. Alright, let's take a look at what we got inside of 35. Basic Energy, Oricorio, Toedscool, Vanillite, Charcadet, Iron Bundle Future card, Cursed Duster, Orbeetle, Golbat, Snorlax Doll, Reverse Hollow, and a Melodic Rare Hollow. This is the final card pack of the box. Let's get some last card pack magic here. Let's see if we can make the last card pack count after a very fun booster box unboxing. Alright, here we go. Basic Energy, Oricorio, Toedscool, Vanillite, Charcadet, Durant, Earthen Vessel, Ancient card, Medical Energy, Reverse Hollow Swablu, a Reverse Hollow Screamtail Ancient card, and finally, a Wu Chain Rare Hollow. Alright. We are completely done with the Paradox Rift booster box. Let's close this. And these are all the rares and double rares that I found in the second half. And these three right here are the best cards of that half. And obviously the best card is this Garchomp EX Hyper Rare. That is amazing. Just beautiful. So, here are all of my best cards here. We'll set these over here for right now. All the rares go here. Here are all the best cards from the Pokemon TCG Paradox Rift booster box. I found one Garchomp EX Hyper Rare, one Professor Sada's Vitality Special Illustration Rare, 3 Illustration Rares, Gimmighoul, Toadscruel, and Veluza, and 2 Ultra Rare cards. The Full Art Mela supporter card, and the Full Art Iron Hands EX. So overall, it was a really good booster box. For $104, I can definitely say that I have broke even with this box. That is for sure. I'm going to go ahead and conclude the video now. So if you guys really enjoy card box unboxing content, leave a like if you want, and subscribe if you want as well, as I go through more card boxes with you guys and see what I can find. Let me know in the comments, like I said, if you've opened this yourself. Let me know some of your best pulls of that box. I would love to hear what you guys have in your collection. And now I'm going to go ahead and start signing off. So thank you guys for tuning in. This has been Dax Collects, and I'll catch you guys on the flip. Good luck hunting, everyone, and have a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you want to check out another video, click on the bottom left corner. See you guys next time.